So I've been hiding something from you guys for a couple of weeks or so, and this morning I finally decided that I'm going to show it to you guys, so here it is. This is our new 7x14 shed, and it holds a lot of my small engine parts, a lot of the bigger stuff that I don't really have room for in my garage. And as you guys can see, I have a lot of stuff in here, wood and stuff for my wood stove as well, but here it is. So here's the overhead view of it. Once again, it's 7x14 and it holds a lot of my tools in here. And this one actually has metal walls, so it's a lot better. And obviously it gets more air in here because it is kind of outside. But yeah. So one thing that I have to do today is over here, you guys can see I have these shelves, and they're really just falling down. I only have 2 screws holding them up. As you guys can see, I can probably just, I can move them by hand, and they're really heavy. So I'm definitely gonna have to build some braces for them. I'm thinking of getting a 2x4 screwed into here and then screw it up to the 2x4s on the roof, just to pretty much hold it up a little bit so it doesn't fall down, because right now there's a lot of weight on it. So yeah, we're gonna hit you guys with the time lapse of me pretty much just cleaning up in here, and once again building those braces for the shelving over here, and yeah. Alright, so after a lot of cleaning, we got everything put away in its right spot. I cleaned up all the chargers and stuff, and I also did put the shelves up. For now, I just use a stick from a rake because I don't have any 2x4s that are long enough. So yeah, I'm gonna hopefully run to the store this week or something like that to get some 2x4s that really finish this up and make it stronger. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and we're out.